WD Blue SA510 4TB review. Honest results after replacing my old hard disk drive.
You ever open your laptop and just wait? 10 seconds for Windows, 30 seconds for Chrome, 2 minutes for a game to load while the fans sound like a jet engine? I was there last month, staring at a spinning wheel, praying it would not freeze again. Sound like your Tuesday? Drop a yep in the comments if you're tired of it too.
You've tried everything, right? Deleting apps, moving files to the cloud, buying a cheap external drive that disappears the second you need it. Nothing actually fixes the core problem. You're still stuck on a spinning rust drive that's been choking since 2018. I knew there had to be a way to get my speed back without spending $400 on an NVMe drive my old motherboard cannot even use.
Then I installed the Western Digital WD Blue SA510 4TB, not some flashy gaming drive, just a honest, no-drama SATA solid-state drive that finally gives you 4 terabytes of fast storage and systems the industry forgot about. First boot after cloning, Windows loaded in 12 seconds flat. Steam games that used to stutter on launch now just open. Photoshop scrubbed 4K timelines without hiccups. The 560 megabytes per second read saturates SATA III perfectly for real work, none of that theoretical max nonsense. The 4 terabyte capacity meant I stopped playing storage Tetris. My entire photo library, every game I actually play, years of project files, all live locally, instantly accessible. No more uninstall this to install that. And because it is DRAM-less with host memory buffer, it runs cool and sips power. My laptop battery actually lasts longer now. For the first time in years, my 2018 machine feels current again. Look, I get the objections. It's just SATA. NVMe is faster. Yes, if your motherboard has an M.2 slot that is not already taken by your tiny 512 GB boot drive. Most of us are stuck with one slot and a SATA bay. This 4 terabyte WD Blue SA510 is literally the fastest drive the majority of laptops and desktops built in the last decade can actually run. Real users are saying the same thing. Tech reviewers call it the sweet spot for massive affordable storage. PC builders are throwing it in every budget gaming rig as the game library drive. One photographer I saw moved his entire Lightroom catalog, tens of thousands of RAW files, and said previews now generate instantly instead of making him wait 30 seconds per folder. People worried about endurance? 600 terabytes written and a 5-year warranty. My drive still shows 100% health after months of daily use. You might think budget drive equals cheap NAND, but Western Digital's own 3D TLC has been rock solid in my testing and everyone else's. The feature that shocked me most? How silent it is. I actually forgot my laptop even had a drive until I checked the dashboard. Imagine opening your laptop and everything just works. No waiting, no noise, no storage warnings. Weekends back because you're not spending Saturday moving files around. Thousands of us with older systems are finally free from hard drive prison because of this one drive. Full disclosure, this video contains affiliate links, but I'd recommend the WD Blue SA510 4TB either way. If you're ready to stop suffering with slow storage and actually use your computer again, I dropped the link below. Go check it out. Your future self will thank you.